what can you do if when you want to connect from the app to the camera, the app he tell you something was wrong and cannot connect, cannot access your camera. Here can be many reasons. First, uh, check if the camera, when you start the camera, okay, I will start the camera now. Okay, when I start the camera, you see a red light starting. And after 5 seconds, a green light must start flashing. So try to check if the green light start flashing. You can see. Okay. So after 5 seconds, you start the camera. The green light must start flashing constantly, and he no need to stop any moment, all time he need to flashing one time or maybe 2 times per second. Okay, so this is first step. Go and check if the green light flashing. If green light flashing, this means the camera didn't have internet access. The green light flashing, he mean camera start loading the file and he tried to connect to the internet. So what can you do next? Try to wait after you start the camera and you check if the green light start flashing. You can check if green light flash minimum 1 minute. Check the green light to flashing minimum 1 or maybe 2 minutes, and check to flash constantly. The green light no is not okay if the green light stop a little bit for 2 or 3 or 4 seconds, and after that start again. But in this time you not have to press to the power button. Okay, only start and check for 1 or 2 minutes and check if the flashing constantly. If the light flash constantly, like I said before, only one reason is internet problem. Okay, so do not forget after you start the camera, not forget to wait minimum 3 minutes. This is because you need to give a little time to the camera to loading the file and access the internet connection and to connect to the servers. So after you turn on and you see the green light flashing, wait minimum 3 minutes, and only after try to connect from the app. If the green light flashing, if you wait minimum 3 minutes, what can you do next? Try to check your internet source for the camera. If the camera is connected to the your source, maybe use a mini Wi-Fi box, or maybe you use your phone with personal hotspot. Scroll down on the page from where you access this video. Scroll down and you can see this. How you can do this? How you can check if the camera is connected at your iPhone or at your Android, if you use Android, or maybe if you use this is another situation. You will find in the page from where you start this video, you can check how to check. And there, when you are there, check to be sure the camera is connected to your phone, and check your phone to have internet access. And the same your personal hotspot, okay, personal hotspot, or if you use mini Wi-Fi box, mini router, the same connect. Maybe you can connect with your laptop, or with another phone you connect to the router, or if you use hotspot, connect with another phone or with laptop to the phone and check if the internet works. Because for surely there is a problem. There is the problem. Or maybe camera is not connected. Maybe you put a wrong name for the Wi-Fi, or password, or maybe your I don't know. Maybe it's hard to know, because you have to check. Okay, so maybe what can reason can be anymore? You put the wrong username, the name of the Wi-Fi or password, or maybe you create a Wi-Fi in 5 gigahertz, not in 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and camera can't connect. Or maybe, for example, I remember what I want to tell you. Maybe you put a SIM card and SIM card not have a credit. Or credit or internet option activated, okay, or option with the internet. So one of these reason can be. What can you do? Scroll down from the page from where you open this video, and you will find how to check if camera is connected to the phone, or how to check if the camera is connected in the case you will use the mini Wi-Fi box. And again, you can check how to check the speed if your phone have internet connection and the speed, and the same if you use mini Wi-Fi box, you have another video and you can check. One of these situation for surely from there is the problem, because like I say, if the green light flashing, this means the camera not have internet access if you cannot connect from the app, or maybe you not wait minimum 3 minutes after you start the camera. One of this reason can be. And try to not keep a long distance between the camera and your source of internet for the camera. If you use your phone, try to keep the maximum 3 or 5 meter, but 5 meter is too much. Around 2 or 3 meters between the camera and your phone, or maybe your dongle, your mini Wi-Fi box. So keep in mind not to let your phone home or mini router home, because the camera not have internet access, so you cannot use it. Your helper can connect.